So this is one of my daughter's favorite shirts, and as you can see, we have some beautiful mess. We had an ice pop, and it got a little drip. So I'm going to attempt to kind of get these stains out with this Active Messy Kid Stain Remover. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my answer of it, and we'll do it together. So the instructions on the back say we're going to spray this. We're going to clean any excess mess. Then we're going to spray this directly on 3 to 5 minutes, and then blot the stain with a clean absorbent cloth, and then we're gonna rinse it and I'm gonna throw it in the wash. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is 4 ounces, and we're gonna spray. And I'm just hoping that it'll reduce this down a little bit. Chocolate, this is a chocolate ice pop. It's a pretty hard stain to get out of. There's some other little like markers. So we're gonna let this sit, and then we're gonna see. So it's been 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, these stains definitely got lighter. These ones, you can tell they're still working. I'm gonna try to blot a little, but definitely the perimeter is getting lighter. I'm hoping once it goes to the wash, we'll lighten. I'll just put a little bit more, just for funsies. So let's throw it in the wash. So this is the final result of the shirt. As you can see, it has done super well. I couldn't have asked for a better result. Most of the chocolate stains are out. There's probably like the hint, but I did leave it on there for probably too long. So if you're definitely looking for a stain, this is definitely one that's been working amazing. As you can see, the shirt looks as brand new as it can get. So if you're looking for one, this is definitely one you need. The Messy Kid Stain Remover.